Hey guys, today I would like to share with you my own newspaper ad booking experience. Once it comes to newspaper ad bookings, we all think about the troubles we need to undergo for booking a newspaper ad, like going to a newspaper agency and following a long procedure. Not anymore. Release My Ad provides you the best solution of booking newspaper advertisements right away sitting back at your home. So what makes Release My Ad so special? Release My Ad is India's largest media buying agency that helps you to book your advertisements online. They also provide you the cheapest media rates. Now coming back to my own personal experience, I was looking to rent my apartment and couldn't find a suitable tenant. I was not ready to book a broker for that, so I thought of putting a newspaper advertisement. So I was searching about the procedure of how to book an ad in the newspaper and I came across Release My Ad. It's very easy to book your advertisements through this platform. Now let's take a look at the steps of how to book your ad through Release My Ad. Open your browser and type in www.releasemyad.com and click on the first link. Where would you like to advertise? You can choose your preferred newspaper. I am selecting Times of India and then press go. Scrolling down on this page, you can find the categories of advertisements available in Times of India classifieds. There are several categories available. I will choose property. In this page, you have to select the property newspaper ad type. There are two types of advertisements, the text ads and the display ads. Text ads are simple ads which are written line by line in the ad text format. Display ads consist of pictures and logos and it is visually attractive. I would go for text ads since they are less expensive. Now you can find the locations where you want to book the advertisements. If you scroll down further, you can find the discount packages which are available. I would select Times of India All Editions, which is the best value over India, and as it covers 29 states and 50 cities, it gives me a greater coverage at a lower rate. I would click on book now. Now coming to the second step of booking your ad, that is composing your advertisement. First you have to select the ad heading. For my rent, I selected to let or rent and my preferred classification was East India since my property resides in that part. You can put any special preference if you want over here. Now coming on to compose the ad matter. You can compose your own ad matter or you can view the sample ads. In sample ads, you will find the creatives that will help you in composing your advertisements. Now if I will go for a semi-furnished flat and copy and paste to compose section. You can close this window. Now in this sample creative you can edit as per your requirements. I would put 2 BHK and what other requirements you need. You have to update your phone or contact number and you can find an estimated cost of putting the advertisements. You can put ad enhancements. I would like to put a background color of pink and an extra border that will make my ad more appealing. Now you can find the ad preview over here. Now proceeding to select dates and make payment. You have to put your contact number over here. Now choose your dates and insertions. This is the last step of your ad booking procedure. I want to publish my ad for suppose 2 days and I would select the dates as 19th and 20th of June. And now I would click on the previewing my booking details. So on my booking summary, I get the ad category, which is property to let or rent and in the eastern part, and the ad text of what I want to print on the newspaper and the total ad costs. Now I go to the mandatory details where you have to fill in your personal details. and select your payment method. Once you select the make payment option, you are directed to the page where you can make your payment. Once your payment is confirmed, you receive the ad booking details in your email. Your ad will now undergo an editorial check, and if everything is fine, it is ready for publication. Isn't the ad booking procedure simple? Do give it a try if you are looking for a newspaper ad booking. Thanks for watching this video. Please do share your experience of ad booking with Release My Ad in the comment section.